Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this beautiful flower just in 5 minutes. If you are beginners, you can also easily make this flower at home by following this tutorial video. So I'm making it to attach it in my scarf. So if you are also want to learn about how to make this scarf, I uploaded a video in my YouTube channel. Go and watch and learn about how to make the scarf also. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this flower. So I made one. I am going to make another one for my scarf. So further delay, we are going to begin our video. For this flower we are going to make magic ring. I'm using double yarn. You can make any of your required yarn. So I'm using 4mm hook. Then make 3 chains. See, just like I'm doing 3 chains. Then we are going to make the following pattern in the magic ring. So just follow what I'm doing. Then yarn over and insert your hook and pull the yarn. We are not going to insert your hook again. Insert your hook and then again yarn over, insert your hook and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over. Just make it 5 times. Then we are going to yarn over and pull through all the loops in our hook. Then now we are going to make 3 chains and then slip stitch in the magic ring. Again we are going to make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and then repeat the same as we did before. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, 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 and then we are going to yarn over and pull through all the loop in our hook. Then make stitch and then 3 chains and then slip stitch in the magic ring. We are going to repeat this 3 times. Again 3 times, 2 3, then yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn. Again yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through all the loops in your hook. Then make a stitch just like I'm doing, and then chain 3, 1 2 3, and then slip stitch in the magic ring. We are going to again make 2 times, 2 3, then yarn over, insert your hook, pull the 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 yarn, and yarn over, pull through all the loops on your hook. Then make a stitch and then 3 chains. Then make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and then slip stitch in the magic ring. Make slip stitch in the magic ring. then make 3 chains. Again make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and then insert your hook, pull the yarn, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, then yarn over, pull the yarn through all the loops on your hook, then make a stitch, and then chain 3 and make slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn, tighten it, and then we are going to tighten the hole also, close the hole also. So pull the yarn of the magic ring tightly, and that's we are going to close the hole of the magic ring by pulling the yarn tightly, just like I'm doing. Follow the pattern. Now we are going to make the white part of the flower. So for that we are going to take a white yarn and then make magic ring, chain 3, and just like I'm doing, chain 3, 1 2 3, and then yarn over, insert your hook, pull the 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 yarn. We are going to make only 4 times for this part, then yarn over, pull the loop through, and then chain 3, and make slip stitch in the magic ring, and then chain 1, cut the yarn. Then we are going to pull another loop tightly to close the magic ring hole, and our center part is also ready. Now we are going to attach it in the pink color flower. For this I'm using yarn needles, just like follow just what I'm doing, just follow this. Follow the pattern what I'm doing right now, so you can easily make this flower at home. If you are beginners, you can also easily make it. So by following this video, you can easily make this beautiful flower at home. If you are beginners, you can also make it. I made it for my scarf, to attach it in my scarf. So you can make it for your to attach in your hair clip, in your bag, in your cardigan, in your scarf, or any other use. You can easily make it at home by following this tutorial video. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned it how to make this beautiful flower. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so if I posted a new video you will be notified. So if you want to learn about how to make this scarf, so I will put the link in my description, so you can go and watch the full tutorial video of how to make this scarf at home. If you are beginner, you can also make it. So I will put the link in my description, so go and watch. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.